Students, welcome back to your English grammar class. Previously I started with this chapter present continuous tense in my last session, and I helped you all complete exercise A and B, C, and today we will be continuing with exercise D. Okay, so in this we will be doing negative sentence structure. Negative sentence structure, again subject plus helping verb am is are plus not plus ing to the verb form and first form of the verb and other words. With I we will use am, we, you, and they we use are, and he, she we use is. Okay, so let's see exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. Then change the sentences into negative form. First you have to fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense and then change it to negative. Like, see the first example, I am reading a book. So read is the verb given over here, so we changed it to reading. We made it into an ing form of the verb, right? Now the same sentence you have to make it into negative. So what we will do, after the helping verb we will add it we'll add not to convert it to negative. I am not reading a book. My sister dash food in the kitchen, cook. So my sister is cooking. Helping, which helping verb we will use here? Is, because it is we are only talking about one person, that is a sister. And to convert it to negative, again subject plus am is are plus not. So my sister is the subject, is the helping verb, and not cooking is the ing form of the verb, food in the kitchen. So my sister is not cooking food in the kitchen. Students, you can do the remaining ones on your own. And look at the contracted form. She is playing. She apostrophe s. And when you want to convert into negative, isn't is n apostrophe t. Same way for he, we, I, it. Okay, so refer this. Moving on to the interrogative negative yes no type question sentence structure. Whenever you are asking a yes no type question, what always comes first? Yes, the helping verb always comes first, followed by a subject, then ing form of the verb and other words. Again this remains the same. I and am together, we, you, and they will use are, and the helping verb are, and he, she will use the helping verb is. Moving on to exercise E, make interrogative form the following sentences. Okay, these sentences are given and we have to make it into interrogative. So here we have to make it into yes no type. Okay, so the doctor is examining the patient. So the doctor is the subject over here, is the helping verb, and examining is the verb, right, in the ing form. So what we will do, we will be putting the helping verb first, followed by the subject and ing form of the verb. So is the doctor examining the patient, question mark. So then you will get the answer, the doctor is examining the patient. Moving on to see the fourth one. For example, the nurses are helping the doctors. So here which helping verb is which is the helping verb? This is the helping verb, this is the subject, and this is the ing form of the verb. So the help, what will come first? The helping verb followed by the subject. So are the nurses helping the doctors, question mark. Similarly, one more, the eighth one, they are going to win the World Cup. So again they is the subject over here, are is the helping verb, going is the ing form of the verb. So are they going to win the World Cup, question mark. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. Your task for today is to complete exercise D, read the contracted forms, and complete exercise E. And if you all have any doubts, you all can contact me. Thank you.